Hello, good day. My name is Ulysses Arcotera, welcoming you to my tutorial adapting to OpenWriter Fast and Easy. I'll be discussing basic user interface comparison between OpenWriter and MS Word 2003. Simple editing in OpenWriter and MS Word 2003. I'll show you how to edit simple editing and printing and saving in OpenWriter versus MS Word 2003. Then I'll be giving you my final notes regarding this tutorial. To begin with, basic user interface comparison between OpenWriter and MS Word 2003 is the menu. This is the menu for MS Word. I have here the file. Just scroll down. Edit. View. Insert. Format. Tools. Table. Window. And help. Here's the menu for OpenWriter. You have the file, new. Notice the difference. You could launch here the spreadsheet or equivalent to MS Excel. This is MS PowerPoint presentation for OpenOffice. Database, MS Access is equivalent. Edit, view, insert, format, oops, sorry, tools, window, and help. Standard toolbar. This is the standard buttons for MS Word 2003. You have the new, open, save, print, and the rest of it. As I scroll down, I scroll to the right, scroll to the right of the mouse. You could also customize it if you want to. Again, the reason I'm showing this to you is to compare it later with OpenWriter. My objective is you carry that user feel to OpenWriter and adjust to the difference of OpenWriter. So I'll show you now, or next, on the next slide would be the OpenWriter. This is the standard button for OpenWriter. You also have the new here, Control N. The difference with MS Word is you could launch another suite. Spreadsheet is like MS Excel. Presentation is for MS PowerPoint. Database is the equivalent for MS Access. Have the open, save, and as I go to the right, you would notice almost a similar interface with MS Word. We go next to formatting toolbar. This is the formatting toolbar for MS Word. As you can see, styles and formatting, style, font, font size, bold, italic, underline, line left, center, line right, justify, numbering, bullets, decreasing indent, increase indent, and we have here highlight, font color. This is the formatting toolbar for OpenWriter. As you can see, it's almost the same as MS Word. Simple editing in OpenWriter and MS Word 2003. Let's start with typing text in the document. With brown box jumps over lazy dog. Line to the right, center, left again, changing font, calibri, 11, making it bold, italic, underline, and bring it back to normal. We're now in OpenWriter. Click brown box jumps over the lazy dog. I'm going to select it all. Line to the right, center, left, making it bold, italic, underline, moving bold, then changing its font, size, placing a header. Placing a header in MS Word, click on View, Header and Footer, type the lazy dog. Then close. Placing a header in OpenWriter. We click on Insert. Header, click on Default. Lazy dog. Placing a footer. We're back in MS Word. To show you how to create a footer, click on View, Header, Footer, switch, then type in page, insert page number, of pages, number of pages, then you could center it, close. As you can see, our header that was created earlier and our footer. We are now in OpenWriter. Let me show you how it's done in OpenWriter, inserting a footer. You click on Insert, Footer, Default, right on page, Insert, Fields, Number, Space, Stop, Insert, fields, page count, recenter it. Just going to show you, scroll it up. Here's the header that we created earlier, and scroll down our footer. Saving file. Saving file in MS Word. You can click File, Save, or Control S, or you could click on this icon. So I'll title it "Oh, that lazy dog." Then click on Save. In OpenWriter, almost the same. You could choose File, Save, or Control S, or we could click on Save button here. Then just going to click on the documents, type "Oh, that lazy dog." Then click on Save. Printing file. I'm going to show to you how to print in MS Word. You can click on File, then Print or Control P on your keyboard. You could preview it. Right now my laptop has no hardware printer, so what we're going to do is just preview it. So there's our footer, our header. This is how it's going to look on print. And close. We move on to OpenWriter. In OpenWriter, it is just the same. Go on File, Print or Control P, Page Preview, or you could choose the toolbar buttons, Print or Page Preview. For this demo, I'm going to click on Preview. This is how you preview in OpenWriter. There's our header, our statement in the body, our footer. Then click on Close. On to my final notes. I'm still new in OpenOffice Suite or in OpenWriter. Issues may come up as you use OpenWriter, so just write it down and email me or write to my Facebook. Nevertheless, it is still the best alternative word processor that I've found in the net. So I hope that you like my presentation. Thank you for watching this tutorial.